This little blue jar, a staple in almost every medicine cabinet. But what if I told you the pure white jelly inside started its life as a gunky black sludge scraped off of oil rigs? It's a wild story that takes us back to the 1850s, to the very first oil boom in America. Imagine this: Titusville, Pennsylvania. Oil derricks are popping up everywhere, and roughnecks are working day and night to pull black gold from the ground. But they kept complaining about this strange, waxy substance that would clog up the pumps. They called it rod wax. It was a nuisance, a messy byproduct that had to be constantly cleaned away. But the workers noticed something incredible. Whenever they got a cut or a burn, they'd slather this gunk on it, and it seemed to help them heal faster and keep the wounds clean. Enter Robert Chesebrew, a 22-year-old chemist from New York. He wasn't interested in striking it rich with oil. He was fascinated by this so-called rod wax. He saw the workers using it and thought, there has to be something here. So, he took a barrel of the black, foul-smelling sludge back to his lab in Brooklyn to figure out what it was and how to make it useful. Chesebrew spent months experimenting. He knew the raw substance was full of impurities, so he had to find a way to refine it. His breakthrough came when he discovered that by filtering the raw wax through bone char, which is essentially charcoal made from animal bones, he could extract a light-colored, pure gel to prove its effectiveness and safety. He famously subjected himself to all sorts of minor cuts and burns, applying his new creation to each one. It worked. He patented the process in 1872 and named his new product Vasseline, a combination of the German word for water, Wasser, and the Greek word for olive oil, olein. So how is it made today? Well, the core idea is still the same, but the technology has gotten a lot more sophisticated. It all starts with crude oil. When crude oil is heated in a giant tower, a process called fractional distillation, it separates into different components at different temperatures. Things like gasoline and jet fuel are lighter and rise to the top. The heavier stuff, including the raw material for petroleum jelly, sinks to the bottom. This heavy residue then goes through a process called vacuum distillation. It's heated again, but in a low-pressure environment, which allows the valuable components to be separated without being burned or damaged. This gives us the raw petroleum jelly. But it's not ready for your skin just yet. It still contains impurities that need to be removed. This is where the magic of modern refinement comes in. The raw jelly undergoes a rigorous, multi-step purification process. This involves high-pressure hydrogenation and filtration through special clays and carbons to remove any remaining impurities and color. This is what Vasseline calls their triple purification process. It's meticulously controlled to ensure that every single impurity, every bit of color, and every hint of odor is removed. The result is the stable, hypoallergenic, and incredibly pure yellow jelly that we all know. So, the next time you open a jar of Vasseline, remember its incredible journey. From a black, sticky waste product on the oil fields of Pennsylvania, refined by a curious chemist in his lab, to the pure, trusted product that has been healing and protecting skin for over 150 years. It's a true testament to finding treasure in the most unexpected of places. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing stories behind everyday things.